In today's video, we're going to talk about how to use the Derila Ergo Pillow and walk you through everything you need to know to get the best results from it. Before we get into the full step-by-step guide, if you're curious to try the Derila Ergo Pillow yourself, you can use the special link in the description below to get it directly from the manufacturer at the lowest possible price. So what exactly is the Derila Ergo Pillow, and why are so many people searching for how to use the Derila Ergo Pillow correctly? The Derila Ergo Pillow is an ergonomic memory foam pillow designed to support your head, neck, and shoulders in a more natural position during sleep. Unlike traditional flat pillows, which often fail to maintain proper alignment, this pillow uses a contoured, butterfly-style shape that adapts to your body and helps keep your spine in a more neutral position throughout the night. Now let's go into the most important part: how to use the Derila Ergo Pillow step by step for the best results. First, take a moment to identify your primary sleeping position. This is key because the ideal pillow height varies depending on how you sleep and your body type. The Derila Ergo Pillow is designed with multiple contour zones, so you can choose the side that feels most natural for your body. If you are a back sleeper, you'll typically want to use the lower contour side. This thinner section allows your head to rest slightly lower while supporting the natural curve of your neck. This helps maintain proper alignment without pushing your head too far forward. If you are a side sleeper, you'll usually benefit from the higher contour side. This side is designed to fill the gap between your shoulder and your head, helping keep your spine aligned from your neck down to your upper back. One of the key advantages of the Derila Ergo Pillow is that the memory foam adapts to your unique neck shape. Instead of forcing your body into a fixed position, it gradually molds to your natural curve, providing personalized support no matter which side you use. This adaptability is one of the main reasons ergonomic memory foam pillows are associated with improved sleep comfort and reduced pressure points. Beyond its shape, the Derila Ergo Pillow combines ergonomics, cooling technology, and carefully engineered support zones into one system. The goal is simple: to help you achieve more restorative sleep so you wake up feeling refreshed, recharged, and ready for the day. It's also worth mentioning that this product has been selling out repeatedly in recent months due to sustained demand. So if you're thinking about trying it, make sure to check the link in the description below to confirm current availability before it goes out of stock again. Now let's take a deeper look at the science behind the Derila Ergo Pillow and why proper usage matters so much. The Derila Ergo Neck Support Pillow is designed around the actual geometry of the head, neck, and shoulders, not a standard rectangular shape. Traditional pillows often leave the cervical spine unsupported, which can lead to tension in the neck muscles, poor alignment, and that familiar feeling of stiffness when you wake up. The Derila Ergo addresses this with a structured, multi-zone design. The central head cradle helps keep your head stable and prevents it from drifting too far to one side during sleep. This is important because even small shifts in position can create strain over several hours. Behind that, the cervical support zone, often called the bolster, fills the natural gap between your neck and the mattress. This is an area that standard pillows usually fail to support, and it's one of the main reasons people experience tension in the neck and upper back. There's also a subtle massage ridge that applies gentle pressure along the back of the neck. This passive contact can help reduce tension in overworked muscles as you rest, contributing to a more relaxed sleep experience over time. The memory foam used in the Derila Ergo Pillow is designed to maintain its shape while still adapting to body heat and pressure. Materials like memory foam are widely recognized for their ability to provide consistent support and reduce neck strain compared to traditional fillings. Another important aspect is safety and material quality. The foam is CertiPUR US certified, meaning it has been independently tested for low emissions and the absence of harmful substances. Since this is a product you use every night in close contact with your face and airways, that level of testing can make a difference for peace of mind. The Derila Ergo Pillow is particularly suitable for back sleepers, stomach sleepers, and anyone who experiences neck or shoulder tension, disrupted sleep, or recurring stiffness in the morning. Its ergonomic contour design sets it apart from standard memory foam pillows, which often provide softness but lack structured support zones. So when you think about how to use the Derila Ergo Pillow, it's really about working with its design rather than against it. Choose the correct side for your sleeping position. Allow a few nights for your body to adjust, and let the pillow support your natural alignment instead of forcing a position. And again, if you're interested in trying the Derila Ergo Pillow for yourself, you can use the special link in the description below to go directly to the official source and get it at the lowest available price. That's also the best way to ensure you're getting the original version and to check whether it's currently in stock. To quickly recap, the Derila Ergo Pillow is an ergonomic memory foam pillow designed to support proper spinal alignment and improve sleep comfort. Understanding how to use the Derila Ergo Pillow by choosing the right contour side and allowing it to adapt to your body is key to getting the best results. With consistent use, many people find that proper support leads to more comfortable nights and better mornings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.